Isn't that funny? So little and so big. Ooh, somebody's got some teeth going on. Oh boy. That's what we got going on. All right, here's just a look at the wood that we're getting stacked up. We always have so many projects to button up, and we're thankful for the warmer weather to keep going with this stuff. So I'm currently drying out beans here and in another place. Those are my dry beans. They're kidney beans, black beans, and turtle beans. And refried beans, or pinto beans, that's what I said. Anyways, I don't even know. All beans, all the dry beans. So there's the garden. There's our chicken tractors we need to put away. There's still more wood we need to go ahead and get stacked or split. The leaves are starting to change. So it's starting to look really pretty. There's lots of, not right here in our area, but lots of reds that I noticed driving today. I think weather has something to do with what colors you're going to be able to see. So it's looking pretty. So lots of projects that we got to button up. I need to do a bunch of probably seed saving, still harvesting. I need to do my herb garden. It looks atrocious. I've got to fix that up, get all the weeds, put some more mulch down, and I've got to propagate my strawberries with the runners and plant them new places. At the end of October, I'm going to be planting a couple hundred garlic so that I can harvest more garlic. That worked out great. So, oh, and the list goes on, and that's only a smidge of it, and then the husband has the whole list. So anyway, see you guys later. I'm going to be plugging away. What do you guys got to do? What's on your list to get ready for the long winter? Here's the back. So here's all the chickens hanging out. There's the herb garden. There's some great medicinal roots that I need to go ahead and harvest after a frost. There's marshmallow root, valerian root, a couple other things I got to get in there and do all the strawberries like I mentioned. You know, make sure the chickens get their houses moved, get some bedding in there before the winter hits. So good stuff. And out there are our coonies. They're little tiny pigs, and they're looking. They're pretty cute. I can see them looking. They're like, "Are you gonna feed us?" No, man. You guys already got fed. So there's Oliver and the chickens. You can barely tell. All right. See ya.